Wow. No, usually I'm not a fan of nature. And nature's not a fan of me. You didn't say anything though.
But I looking at the walls and
They're not walls, they're rocks. Of walls.
okay. You guys did turn out by this.
They got knocked off. Nashville? We're in Nashville now? This is beautiful, bro.
We rode on a
Road trip?
no, we on
Yeah, Shwitch, it's okay.
Road. Sometimes I wish the road didn't exist so I could just video the water. This is amazing. We should make this a tradition, coming to Colorado every year.
That would be awesome.
I have water. I have water.
Yes. Do you know? Oh, yeah.
Dad, it's cold.
Wait. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, what is this?
Chili. What should I pick?
I don't know.
Should I pick a dumpling because I popped mine, or should I pick a butter because I lost mine, or should I pick a Nito?
I don't know.
I think you should pick a Nito.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna pick a Nito.
Yeah.
Here, let me open it. See, I'll open it for you. See,
You gonna open it?
let me see it. Say the right.
Okay, stop it.
Guys, look, it's a look.
Yeah.
Chili, you should get a butter. Actually, no, because it's
These are so cute. Oh. Are these wax? These are wax.
a wax.
Yeah,
How
maybe.
much are they?
I don't know. Let me see.
These are only $7.
Calm down over there, brother. Okay. I hear you over there. Oh, that's elf. Very good, man.
That's so cool.
Ew.
Right into the elk.
Look, Tex. Look.
She's eating the flowers. Oh, look. The other one is.
Stay on this sidewalk. Because they're females, I'm less worried, but if they were... As long as you stay away from them, they're not gonna do anything. Yeah, okay, good to know. I'm gonna load them up real quick. Girls, you'll need to get out of this parking spot.
Guys.
Look at her coming right up.
Oh, I think he saw. Oh, look.
Guys.
He's just like, hey.
One. Oh my god.
My turn.
Yeah.
No, my turn. I haven't gone yet. Come on, go. Be careful.
Perfect. Wait.
No. No, I'm not.
Ready? Should we get pizza? I don't know. Should we get pizza? I don't know. I'll get spaghetti. I think I'll get spaghetti too. I haven't had it in.
They don't have any new clothes either? No? Okay.
Bacon. Okay, it's currently like 11 p.m. at night right now, and I'm just not filming my outro because we like just got home and like, yeah. Well, that was vlog day 5. I hope you'll enjoy it, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.